On this episode of Watz-Up, I catch up with the artists who gave us monster hits like Cry For Them, Unfair Officer, and Take A Boy Girl. Singer, Stinger.
Yes.
What go on, DJ?
Yo, we're there, I go and put in the work, you know. Right this right there.
Right, that's right there.
Yeah.
What has been going on with the DJ of late?
Well, I just whole heap of thing, you know, where I do a whole heap of work right now, where I put in some work because one of the popular saying is, yo, Wasp give them a one song and then him cool and then him give you one more, then him cool. Now where I kill that, you see me? Where I show them a work ethic like never before.
Song after song after song?
Yes, because we can do it, and a lot of people see me and say, Wasp, you're one of the baddest, you're in the top 10, top 5 lyricists, you see me? And all of the man them consider for being at the top 5 as some man will actually flood the place with music, you see me? And Wasp never really take that approach yet because the way of me grow, you know, for use song and kill song.
Oh.
Yeah, but I realize it's a fast pace and the youth them a digest music fast, so may I give them a little bit of that and still balance the ground. So probably we're not going to drop as much as Vibes Cartel, but a song a month I think can do the stunt.
A song a month can do the stunt?
Yes.
Yeah, because when Wasp came onto the scene, many people were of the view that Wasp would be the next big thing, innit?
Yes.
But that never materialized to that level there. Why?
No. Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, it's a sport, it's a competitive sport, you see me, and it also politics driven, you see me?
The music is political.
Yes, and me as a youth where I never yet look for myself as a youth where is a fan of politics, you see me? But when I sign up for music now, I realize, say, yo, yes, right there,
yes,
you see me? So, for answer your question, me the things it just solely based on talent.
Yes.
You see me, and when it come on to talent, I have no doubt, I walk with my chest high because I know that God bless me with this talent, this God-given flow.
Yes.
You see me, this gift for the music. And I never really shy away from it. I go through and approach it as such, like I know what I do. You see me? So while we're in the game now, we start realizing there's a lot of politics to it. And you live and you learn. So what kind of slow down the journey a bit is the learning process. You see me? Because while you do the work and I drop music, you still have to, you know, kind of step a little bit and watch what I go on and learn from it. So now I understand the game of me now. I know if I dance around the ball court and a problem you know. You see me?
Before we take on the music, part of the music, in November of 2020, news emerged that you were involved in an unfortunate incident where you were shot.
Yes.
What's the situation surrounding that now though?
Well, wrong place at the wrong time.
Wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah, because you know, we're there in a Cassia Park, you know, my place, people love and respect us. You see me? You there get close to the curfew hours and thing, and my mother say, yo, at what time a curfew again? I say, you know, if I'm you ask about this curfew thing, I send you home. So yeah, so I start, you know, put myself together for leave now. You see me? I record this brand new song and you know, I say, Mama play that one before I left, and while I play the song, I hear some shot and only if I find out some get shot. You see me? But one thing I will say is that Wasp is a youth is a peaceful youth. That's why I never walk and look over my shoulder yet, you see me? So I just feel like with what go on in Jamaica with the crime and violence, it's just me at the wrong place at the wrong time. But definitely wasn't a target.
So was anybody held for the shooting?
No.
Not okay, no.
No.
But it wasn't anything major though. Where you got shot?
It fly through my left arm.
Right
you see me?
left arm.
Yeah, the bullet fly right through. Because I did a pray right through. You see me? So yeah, you see me? So
yeah, we're glad for those of the man survived that look scared there.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Yes.
The music, you know, as you said earlier, a song a month can do the stunt.
Yes.
For the past couple of months, Wasp visibility has increased significantly.
Yes.
On social media and mainstream media.
Yeah man.
That is calculated.
We're going to learn it.
You're going to learn it.
As I say, while me a step, I learn as we a step. So I understand now, so you have to be more visible. You see me? Me's not a youth who love the posting on social media and everything. You see me? But I kind of learned so you have to navigate and adjust with the times. You see me? So right now, at that type of energy that we're upon right now, and we love the response that I get because people are see us now, and you know my Instagram page turn up.
Yes.
You see me? The followers I get to the extent where I want it to get to. You see me? So big up all of the followers and big up everybody who believe in us from day one and step with me and walk with us. You see me? Where music is concerned, you know, me just go into the studio and create this creative piece of work with my brother Javilani.
Time bomb.
Yes. Now people, me I go say this on the big program and make people know this. Are the most creative dancehall song of all times. You see me? Yeah.
That's a big bold statement to the Wasp.
Yes, and you see me? Yeah. You see me? When alright. Look on this now. Picture two of the elites, you see me, because Javilani me have him as one of the baddest. You see me? Me reach out to him and he say, yo, we love what you do the same way. So me and him link up on a track where a bomb strapped to a female and me and him defuse the bomb. Like nobody never made that in the history of music. You see me? We see people on them phone that have phone conversation. We see people, you know, do different things, but nobody never diffuse a bomb. You see me? And that's the approach we make because we look upon it as music is a competitive sport. And everybody and them cousin turn artists now. Even some even some youth who used to cheer for it, them turn artists now. Yeah. Some girl who used to dance in our video, I see them out there and I say, yo, I have a new thing for you dance to them. Say, I want to you.
Artist now. Thing, you know.
Yeah, you see me? This Jackie turn artist as well. So for stand out amongst your peers, you have to just bring something different to the table.
Creativity.
Yes, especially when you're not the most favorite. You're not the man at the moment, so to speak. You have to bring something to make people say, hold on there. Look where I'm going over here, so. You see me? Because them don't want to do that, you know, them have the top 5 and the top 10 where them don't zoom in. Yeah, so we have to give them a reason to shift the focus a bit. You see me? And that we are doing with a Time Bomb song. They're produced by Step to Them, which is my nephew. Ninja Ford's son.
Ninja Ford's son.
Yeah, so big up Maliko, Step to Them. You see me? We are do some, and people, that are just a tip. Because we'd have to experiment and say, all right, we're going to start a whole, you know, a whole pattern. But we give them just a tip of that, just to make them see what going. So there's a lot more where that comes from.
Give a piece of song quick and fast, man.
There's a bomb is in session, destructive weapon. Only have 1 minute and 53 seconds. Yo, this not fit me, my life it's special. Me rather spend time in a vicing session. Real talk dog, I chew my ears hard. My fat sexy girl, they tell me send I left the yard. But now me get stuck here, so this is my reward. Psalms 27, please save my lord. But I never have future plan. Wonder why you are trying to defuse a bomb. What you feel like, old car Superman? Still I say, I want to the youth, man. It would have easy if me shoot up a group of man. Rob a Uber and a scooter up on a Juta van. Me no want lose my life like Luther van. Set up shop like Junior gang. Yo, cut the blue wire, no the red one. Dog, if you try that, you's a dead man. Just cool now, calm down yourself, man. This easier than common entrance. But nobody never did in no exam. You never think about all years pension. Right now, man cross like pendant. Come you just born and a girl pregnant. Me never not gonna
man.
You see me? Yeah,
and
man.
You wrote the song.
Me and Javilani come together and write that.
Okay.
You see me? Because from people here, immediately them say, yo, are you pen this? I say, no, you know, me and Javilani forward together and just go. But going to the studio, I'm knock few bars and then him forward in and knock few bars. By the time him done, me ready with 4 bars and then him say, hey, that's you do? Him drop 4.
Chemistry right.
Yeah, so me I look on him like, me I try outwork. All right, watch this. Boom, and go do 4 more. And then I saw it was like a competitive vibe in the studio.
Very
which
creative
me enjoy.
song, man.
Yes.
Video nice and them something there.
Yeah, man. Big up ICJ upon the director for direct that video because them do a great job.
Another body of work or piece of work that created a buzz in the street was the G-Mix, as you call it, of Tribute to Vybz Kartel.
Oh God, man. You see me? People, just imagine how I feel. Me have Vybz Kartel as one of the baddest lyricists. You see me? And, you know, I hear a rap song with a you named John Lucas do a song named Will, where I give Will Smith him flowers and I say, hey, this bad, you know. See me? So one of my DJ brethren call me and say, yo, I feel like you should kill the beat, you know. And I say, all right, I go challenge it. So by the time I say, all right, I go challenge it, I listen to the beat over and over. I say, yo, him do a song, a tribute to Will Smith. Why am I not just do a tribute to one of my dancehall artists? And at the time, I say, Kartel would be the best person, you know, because of the incarceration and because how much respect me have for him as, you know, as a lyricist to a lyricist. So we do the song, we kill it, big up Sean Izzo record the song. Okay. And we do that song there in the Corona time when, you know, it just. So at the time everybody's scared and everything. So Sean is sanitize the microphone, sanitize the equipment, them sanitize me. I would just record it, you see me? The only thing wasn't sanitized was the lyrics.
That's the lyrics.
Yeah, because it was
Dirty.
just raw and uncut. You see me? When you deal with Vibe Cartel, you have to go raw and uncut. You see me? Yeah, man. So we do it, we send it out, and my thing was, if me not make $1 from this, me than just want Vibes Cartel for just acknowledge it and say yo, that youth here try, give him flowers. You see me? It's almost like I want to show him, say, yo, listen, I respect you. And once him acknowledge, say, yo, was pay him respect, mission accomplished for me. And then, only for find out, say, him do more than that. Because that's why I have to big up the General Bounty Killer again. When me release the song, Bounty Killer call me. I say, yo, send that to me, because that's the baddest song out now. I'm going to say, yo, all right, boom. Forward it to Bounty, Bounty post it, I'm going to get 1,000 followers right away.
So Killer go out to work, man.
Yes, and then now the day never done, Vibe Cartel himself post it. See me? So me be like, yo, Jano, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer post it, Vibes Cartel post it, mission accomplished. But you know we already. You know, you achieve what you did set out for me, you want to push it a bit. So I reach out to the team, to Vibes Cartel team and say, yo, you know me that love a remix. And he say, yo, simple.
Good job. About 1 million bars in there. Give me about 30.
I'm feeling like Addy. Better than everybody. Not afraid nobody. I can't trust somebody. My monitor like me in Illuminati. You know some got it. Like Tony Montana, El Chopper like Papi. Nobody can stop me. Girl them can give it to me. Me make them happy. Like Addy the teacher. Me fly down visa. Me get girl easier. Girl hotter than fever. But me want a girl liar like Tanisha. What do you Caesar give Caesar? Addy go goal on a FIFA. Set it off like Queen Latifah. Roll up. Smoke it like reefer. Girl give me tapping. Pizza. Govern the world fast. We run the planet like world boss. Take away your girl when your girl pass. Stop watch your girl like a your fault. Smooth than a lotion. She wet like a ocean. Me roll on my children give her hard. Sick with the bars from behind the bars. Get more visit than a churchyard. Money I run, life is a blessing, give thanks to my son. Him born as a star, him I go reach far. Like little vibes and little Addy, I go successful in life, which is right. I hope them look up to me like we look up to Radney Price. Move precise, I will stand out and outshine. Relevant up to the time, me learn from vibes. In a dancehall, Addy are the man. Addy Bantan, Addy one done. One a rum, one a condom, you understand? The undisputed champion. Turn bleachers in a grandstand turn bleachers grandstand. Them have a head concussion, no IG life, act Russian. Me tell Shanism I go take over the world and I mean it. Nobody no sign me, but them soon find me when me achieve it. Yeah. I run the whole place from a GSL. Undisputed Vibe Cartel, freedom is a must. Wish you well. All right now. I'm feeling like Addy. Better than everybody. Not fear nobody. You see me.
A low IG life, ask Russian.
You remember where they go?
We know exactly what you're talking about, man. So that song create a buzz, create another look up, you know, shutting at the arm.
Yeah, that song make people know, sir, right? What's there for stay and what's going to show you a different side to him, which is the side where I point out earlier on. For make them know, sir, right? We're going to be more consistent with it. Yeah, be more consistent with it because a song a month, as I say, a song a month can pull off the stunt.
Yeah, song a month can pull off the stunt.
We now OD and use music, kill music, but just remember, say, every month is a brand new song, brand new video. You see me, because we are be more visual now.
You also had a couple of bars in a song, a multi-artist collaboration recently. Killer and Marley and Javelani and
Greatness.
Keep Rich and some whole heap of people. How that come about though?
Well, first of all, I just want to say the best move that I make for this year from the year start because big up Chamba, you know, me and Chamba do, you know, a lot of these tracks together, you see me, and, you know, one day I finish up a track and thing, you know, with my son, you know, because me and my son, big up my son, King Mac Clark, big up King Mac, me and him have a song come out. So as I finish up that, Chamba say, yo, you know, me have a track I want you featured on, and I say, yeah, I'm here. And, you know, I find out, say, Tommy Lee, Egyptian, Bounty Killer, Javilani, you know, Julian Marley, Keep Rich, Maestro Dan, you know, there's so much great artists on the one track and, you know, big up Leah as well and Sage, you know, them also on the track too. So as soon as Chamba me hear the track, you know, them say, yo, them want me jump in right so with a 2-bar and thing and, you know, me actually, you know, jump in and drop my 2 bars, you know. And right after me is my brother ZJ Liquid. You see me? So 4 bars split between me and Liquid. But why I say are the most are the best move because we're going in Jamaica and with the crime and violence, you know, the ladies.
Timely song too, man.
Yes, the ladies turning up missing, you know, whole heap of accident and, you know, just by people are stressed over this COVID thing, you know, we are looked towards a brighter day, which is the title of the song, a brighter day, you see me? So me just feel like as an artist, me not stop a man from singing gun song. There's a time and a place for it. This is the time now where we need to use the platform and just show the people themselves, listen, there is hope.
Okay, so.
And they look towards a brighter day. And listen, each one teach one, united we stand. So if me use my platform in a positive way and you use your platform in a positive way, then the youths them now go straight. Because what people don't understand, me not go tell a man say artists really go grow the youth them, you know, because we don't want to take the blame for grow a man child. Because we have our, you understand? But we have to take some height. Because when you look on it, when the youth them walk down the road, you hear them sing them favorite artist line. Song. And one of the things I always tell people, if you want to teach we something as youth and youth, you have to just put it in a song. That's why from day one you get A, B, C, D, E, F in a melody, you see me? And you get 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2, you see me? Everything, if you want people to catch it, you have to bring a music. So
a song a month can do the stun.
Yes.
Why you work on it now?
Well, alright, so me have one of the wickedest track right now, which is the Time Bomb, most creative, definitely.
Fear enough.
The big track, but I gotta say big bad, but bad would go against what we stand fine at the brighter
big
day. The big track, brighter day, you see me? And also, me have a track working on now with me and Worlding.
Ding dong.
Yes. Me a party with the people a little bit. You know, something where what's not the, because you know what's always tackle the social commentary. Yes. You know, the lack of the sound officer and them to cry for them. You know, my type of thing them that we focus on. But we have balance it, just as we talked about the balance earlier. Yeah. So me a party with the people them.
Song record already?
Song record already.
Video shoot?
We're going to show the video soon. You see me? Big up Worlding, you know, I call him, I say, yo, I have a track. You know, I send it to him and him just kill it. You see me? Sean is a producer that is going to be on a rhythm called Ocean 13 coming soon.
The song title already?
Yeah, man. Another Level.
Another Level.
Ding Dong featuring Wasp.
Soon?
Yes. Another Level.
Yeah? Time Bomb, Brighter Days.
Yes.
And Another Level. Another Level is coming.
Yes. Very soon.
Brother.
You see me?
Go out do it though. One of them times we will sit down and document the journey, but now with some people them know what go on.
Yes.
Attack Nation, talk to me quick about that.
Alright, so Attack Nation is my label, it's my brand. You see me, that's where I stand behind right now, you see me. If a man now to say Attack Nation, I'm not to a long argument to nobody right now. You see me? Attack Nation is everything.
Everything.
Yeah, you see me? It's called branding and that's what we are represent. So next time when I dep on a program, I dep on the Big Bad Teach Them program, you know, I go also bring my merch. You see me? Because I'm not search, I already have the merch. Yeah, man, and God bless me like the church. For sure, people say, listen, we're going to take it from one level to, like how the song with me.
Another level.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah,
you see me? Another level. So that's where we are take the music to another level and we are brand it, we are put it and the merch together. Because you know, music and fashion go hand in hand. You see me? So look out for the merch, Attack Nation merch. You see me? Yeah.
The Wasp fans them out there, we have left with them.
It take a while to get the joker them out of the deck and put your queen upon my jack, no disrespect. Say them a king, Attack Nation foot upon them neck. My overdrive like a Porsche, no Chevrolet. Feel my mother read, the mother tell me about my mother yet. Anybody try that, they not gonna live for take another breath. Them get my cross, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We above the averages like we upon another jet. So keep your eyes by your shoes, watch where you step. You are enter a danger zone, watch where you rep. Me keep it straight, me never take a corner yet. And Jada Kingdom never sample the banana yet. Artists living on my style, my soon start collect. Me never cooperate with the devil figure corporate. I'm in a fierce screw face, mark for that. Biggie Small ready to die, life after that. Just follow me, Wasp Above Average on IG. Subscribe to Wasp TV YouTube channel. And trust me, you can view the video, left a comment. And make them know. Teach them, send me here. Make us see that in the comment section, make us know how I go on the big program. And you know the thing with people. We're not letting it down. We're going to go on music on top of music. And everything we was put in name on, it have to be above average. No joke.
Look out for the merch, you don't have to search.
Attack.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!